as an educational resource.
Good day everyone, I am Janabel Tifabe and I'm going to introduce to you the software as an educational resource. The objectives of these lessons are to first, identify the two types of software, second, compare and contrast the two types of software, and the third one is to give reasons on how software can contribute to an effective learning. So again, the software as an educational resource. But before we proceed, let's first define and understand what is software. So what comes to your mind when you hear the word software? Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspects of the computer. So software is a generic term used to refer applications, scripts, and programs that runs on a device. In using the computer, software is being used. There are software for entertainment, businesses, and also for education and instruction. Software is important because the computer is useless without it, and it cannot function the way that we know if there is no software, nor it can be useful to us. So choosing appropriate and updated educational software as teaching material is the responsibility of the teacher and the school. Somehow, learning is quite interesting when educational software is being used, and I know that you all can agree with it. So why do we consider software as an educational resource? Alright, so educational software integrates multimedia content and provides users a high level of interactivity. So the two features distinguish them from the traditional teaching practices, the multimedia content such as graphics, pictures, and sounds that help engage students for their lessons. For example, when it comes to learning history, just like us, we're learning history. Students could go back and see videos or other online-based content related to it. Furthermore, an online education software benefits the teachers, allowing them to better connect with the students and help them keep the students interested in their lessons. And finally, it also promotes a productive learning environment.
Hello, my name is Lionel Cancio, and in this part of the report, I'm going to tackle with you about system software and application software. Now, first let us talk what is system software. System software is an operating system that is found or bundled, built inside all computer machines. System software is a program designed to run a computer's hardware and applications and manage its resources such as its memory, processors, and devices. It also provides a platform for running application software, and system software is typically bundled with a computer's operating system. In other words, system software is software designed to provide a platform for other software. Examples of system software includes operating system like Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Microsoft Windows, computational science software, game engines, search engines, industrial automation, and software as a service applications. System software is essential for a computer to function properly. Why is that so? Because system software is important. It helps run the computer's hardware and systems. Since the operating system is the most important part of all software activity, it is needed to run all other programs. Operating system handle various tasks from managing system resource to providing user interfaces. Without an operating system, one cannot communicate with their computer. And the most common types of system software are operating systems, device drivers, middleware, utilities, and programming language interpreters. And now, let us move on and let's talk about application software. Application software. Application software, this contains the system that commands the particular task or solves a particular problem. Application software and like system software that is used for operating computer hardware. Application software is used by user to perform specific tasks. System software are installed on a computer when operating system is installed, while application software are installed according to users' requirements or needs. Application software is a computer software package that performs a specific function directly for an end user or, in some cases, for another application. An application can be self-contained or group of programs. Example of these are Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and many more. Now, what is the importance of application software? Application software allows you to perform tasks on a computer, for example, playing music or games and creating presentations, spreadsheets, and documents. And for us, students of the 21st century, its sole purpose is that it makes the studying process much quicker and much easier for us and helps us to find what we need easily. Teachers can also use modern applications such as assessment software to help see how well their students are doing and in what areas they might need to improve. And so, there you have it, everyone. Say hi to our next reporter.
Good afternoon, I am Velasco Jocelyn Ruth, and my topic is all about the Microsoft window, also referred as a program Microsoft window, or window for short, is an operating environment between the user and the computer operating system. It is also called as shell. It is a layer create the way of computer should work. Window used as a colorful graphic interference called GUI that can be seen on the computer screen or in the monitor whenever the computer is turned on. This is the examples of computer software application. So, the Microsoft window has a profound impact on education and society, providing the education a reliable user-friendly platform for students, teachers, and professionals to work with. It is enable the user to use various of software application, programming, tools, and assistive technologies to improve learning outcome and accessibility. Additionally, Windows facilitate business and professional operation, serving as essential tools in many industries. Finally, Microsoft Windows has driven innovation in computer industry, creating a vast array of applications and tools that have transformed the way we live and work.
Good day everyone, my name is Maricha Torres Velado, and in my topic, Windows is in itself a self-contained operating system which provide user convenience, a new look, fancy borders, smooth and streamlined text fonts, information center, and plug and play. So, why Windows is a user convenience? It's because Windows can control the storage of data such as images, file, music, and etc. Also, it controls hardware attached to the computer such as webcams, scanner, and printers. It helps to open and close the program. Example for this are the word processor, games, photo editors, and etc. So second, a new look, fancy borders, smooth and streamlined text font. Windows are very useful, especially when we had work and we want our job to become more attractive and arrogant. Windows can help to be smooth and streamlined text fonts to our project. Windows also have the information center, so which means you can ask the questions or help. If you have a problem about the Windows, then they have a quick actions. Using Windows in a computer, we can play games. We can also listen to our favorite music. We we can also watch a video. My question is, what is the purpose of using Windows? So we can use Windows to browse the internet, check your email, edit digital photos, listen to music, play games, and do much more. So Windows is also used in many offices because it gives you access to productivity tools such as calendars, word processors, and spreadsheets. And that's the end of my discussion, so thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Erica A. Balasabas and I'm going to talk with you about instructional software. What is instructional software? This is the programs include pictures, sounds, animations, and other various stimuli used to enhance the development of skills such as reading, writing, and problem solving. Instructional software can be visited in the internet or can be bought from software shops or dealers. Nowadays, teachers use CBI, or also known as computer-based instructions, and commonly form in online or e-learning that uses computer as a tool to support learning to the students in a flexible ways and is often integrated with the internet. CBIs need much improvement, while web-based educational or learning consists of instruction programs using attributes and resources of the web to create a meaningful learning and interactive environment. And it is a form of computer-based instructions that uses the WWW or World Wide Web as a primary delivery method of information. There are guidelines in evaluating computer-based educational materials. First, be extremely cautious in using CBIs and free internet materials. Yes, because we may get false materials and can cause wrong information to our learners. Second, don't be caught up by attractive graphics, sound, animations, pictures, video clips, and music, forgetting their instructional worth. Teachers must evaluate these resources using sound pedagogical principles. Fourth, among design and content elements to evaluate are text legibility, effective use of color schemes, attractive layout and design, and easy navigation from section to section. That's all to my part. The other guidelines will be tackled by Mr. Acibes. Thank you.
Again, I am Christopher Bulu Aceves, and good morning. Now we are going to continue the IS, or the instructional software. Why is instructional software important? The purpose of educational software per school is to increase instructional efficiency while providing a more engaging way for students to learn. What is the importance of instructional software in education? It refers as a more convenient and effective setup for teaching methods. This means the schools are now creating a hybrid learning environment around students to make sessions more engaging and interactive. What is the primary purpose of instructional software? Instructional software is a computer program designed to assist in the delivery of instruction. The primary purpose of instructional software is to support teaching and learning. What is instructional software designed to teach? Instructional software designed specifically to deliver or assist with students' instruction on a topic. Instructional software are the programs that are designed to teach skills or information through demonstration, examples, explanation, or problem solving. IS has the guidelines in evaluating computer-based educational material. We have clarity in explanation and illustration of concepts and principles. Next, accuracy, coherence, and logic of information. Last is absence of bias materials